Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on customization, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to Keypad Del Tone, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean Keypad Del Tone, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.